Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will make you to learn how to solve the string related problem in the Python so that if there any question in this model in any one of the coding contest, you can easily solve it. Here the problem statement is write a Python program to get a string from the given string where all the occurrences of its first character have been changed to the hash except the first character itself. So here the problem statement is, so from the given string we need to get the required string, and that too we need to replace the first character. If the first character is occurring more than one time in the given string, so we need to replace all the characters which are equivalent to the first character with the help of hash, and that too the first character should be same, so we should not change the first character, we need to place as it is. Here in the given example, so gangstar group, it is the simple example string format. So here the first character that is available is G. So whenever the G is occurring in this particular entire string, so within that entire G index position we need to replace the G character with hash. That means here the G is occurring, instead of G we need to place hash, as well as so G is occurring one more time here, so instead of the G we need to change it so that the final output string is, so gan hash star hash rout, like that we need to get the output, but we should not change this particular first character, we need to place it as it is. So in order to do it, we need to use one important inbuilt function which is available in the Python, that is nothing but replace function. Now here with respect to the given string, for example let us take it is the given string, so with respect to this given string, so we are going to apply the replace function. Here the replace function syntax, within that we can pass three parameters. Out of the three parameters, the last parameter is optional. So what is the indication of the first parameter here? So if you want to replace the substring, so already some substring is there, let us assume that G is acting as like as a substring, and if you want to replace that old substring with the new substring, means the new substring that we need to place here is hash. So here we need to provide hash. So then automatically within the entire string, wherever the old substring G that is available, instead of that G you will get the new substring hash. And that too here count is the optional one, it is the third parameter, we can provide it or we can simply ignore it. So here the count is indicating that how many number of times that the old character should be replaced by the new character. Let me take here, so within this particular string, if you are going to take the old substring A, but unfortunately A is occurring multiple times, 1 2 3 4 times it is occurring in the entire string. Without providing the count, if you are going to pass this string dot replace of A comma some hash in the sense, so without providing the count in the sense, wherever the character, the old character that is occurring A, instead of that A character you will get the new character hash. In the all the places it will be replaced. That means here you will get hash, and remaining three A's positions also you will get hash only. But if you are going to provide the count is 2 in the sense, so we need to replace the old character with the new character, or old substring with the new substring, and that too only the occurrences, the only substitution will be possible with the help of count variable, the value that we are providing here. So for example, out of the four places, instead of four places, for the first two A's you want to replace it by hash, in the sense here we need to pass 2, and the old character that we need to pass here is A. Now instead of old character you will get hash, and that too it will occur two times. That means in this particular A and as well as in the second A you will get hash. For example, without providing the count, just replace of A comma hash, in the sense wherever we are getting the old substring A, within that you will get the new substring hash. That means in the all the places, in all the four A's you will get the hash. So likewise you can use the stub whenever there is a requirement. So but here I don't want to use the count, so without using the count, with the help of replace function, with the help of first two parameters, you can solve this problem. Now let me try to go to the coding part so that you will get the complete idea. Now this is the code. If you are going to observe the code, whatever the input that we are going to read, the input is in the format of gangstar group. Let us take it as a input. It will be available in the input string. Now from this gangstar group, the main intention of this entire problem statement is, if the first character, whatever the first character that is available, So if it is occurring more than one time in the entire string means we need to replace that character with the hash. But the first character we need to maintain the same. We should not replace that hash in the first character itself. That is the most important thing. Except the first character itself. That is the point. You have to keep that point within your mind. Now, so here the first character from this particular entire string is G, that we can get with the help of input string of 0 index position. So within the 0 index position, the string index position will start from the 0. Here within the 0 index position, the character that is available is G, that will be available in the first variable. Now I am taking one temporary string. Within the temporary string, so whatever the input string that is available, this is the main string. Upon the main string I am applying the replace. That means here the string is acting as like as a main string. The main input string is gangster group. So upon the gangster group, a replace, we are applying the replace function, and within the replace function, so first in the sense you will get the first character that is acting as like as a old substring. So here the old substring is G. So instead of that G, the new substring that we are going to place here is hash, and that too we are not at all using third parameter, that is nothing but count. It is an optional one, you can omit it. Here we are not at all using it. Now that means wherever we are getting the G in the main string, so within that G completely we need to change it with the help of hash. We need to substitute with the new substring hash. That means from this entire string, here you will get hash, as well as the G is occurring here also. Here also you will get hash, and as well as within this G position also you will get hash. But what is the main intention of this entire program? So we can replace the first character with the hash wherever it is occurring in the entire string, but we should not change the first character. So, but unfortunately with the help of this replace function, so within the first character also, why? Because it is the old character, and instead of that old character, the new character that we are inserting is hash. We are substituting the hash character. So due to that reason, from this entire string you will get the output in the format of hash an hash star hash roup. Like that you will get the string that will be available in the temp underscore string. But here the main intention is within the first character we need to maintain as it is. We should not change it. For in order to do it, just I am printing it, whether we are going to get that entire new string with the help of hash which is replacing with the G character or not. Due to that reason only I am using this print statement. Actually it is not required. Let me try to make it comment. Now here in the next line, it is the most important line. Why? Because the first character we need to keep the same character G. In order to do it, so from the same, upon the same temporary string I am applying this operation. What is this operation? First plus, first in the sense within the first the character that is available is G plus from the available temporary string. The available temporary string is hash an hash star hash roup. This is the string that is available in the temporary string. From this temporary string we are applying the indexing that to the starting index position is 1. One index position means actually the starting index position in the entire string is 0. So we are ignoring the 0 index position. That means we are trying to ignore it, and from the starting index position to the remaining entire string, that means you will get this entire string, and that output will be available in this particular temp underscore string of 1 colon. So you will get this entire string apart from the first index position. Now here for this string we are concatenating the first. Within the first the value that is available is G. So that instead of hash we are trying to replace it with the G. The final output that we are expecting here is GAN hash STAR hash ROUP. That is the thing that we are getting. Likewise, if you are going to take some other string, Range Rover, here R is the first character which is available. It is repeating 3 times. So within the 3 places we need to replace the character R with hash, but within the first character we need to maintain the same character. R itself it is available in the first character, but wherever that R is occurring in that particular positions we need to change it with the help of hash. So if you are going to observe, the output is range space hash OVE hash. So like that we need to produce the output. With the help of this code we can easily get it. Finally, whenever we are going to print the temp underscore string, you will get the output in the format of so GAN hash star hash ROUP. Otherwise, whatever the string that we are going to pass, you will get the output. Now let me try to run this code so that you will get the clarity. So this is the third problem. Let me try to run it. So if I'm going to pass gang star group, actually the string that we are getting in the sixth line is, so instead of that first character we are replacing that entire first character wherever it is occurring. G is occurring 1 2 3 three times, so in that all the three places we are replacing it with hash. But we should not expect this output. We need to maintain the same character in the first occurrence, but apart from that remaining all the occurrences we need to replace it with hash. So in order to do it only, we are trying to performing this 10th line operation. So I think with this you got the complete idea how to solve this problem. So if you like my videos, all of you please do subscribe to my channel. Please inform to your friends, ask them to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.